What's up, tubers? Today I'll be sighting in the St. Victor with the Viper Vortex PST Gen 2. Really? I'm going to be zeroing it in for 50 yards today. I got my target set up downrange, and this may take me a couple days to do because of our shady weather. Which looks like it's fine right now, but just wait. Just wait. I'm going to speed this process up in the editing room so you don't have to watch the real-time version of it. So you're going to see a lot of quick shots back to back, but just know that they were all deliberate slow fire. I'm going to be using Winchester Green Tip 55 grain. I'm told it's not the most consistent ammo, but it's all I got. So without further ado, let's sight this sucker in so I can bullseye womp rats at 300. You think they'll get it? Some of them will get it. Yeah, some of them might. Some of them will get it. Alright guys, I already took my first shot and it looks like I'm just a little bit high left. Let's take the second one and see how close we are. This isn't the best rest. Let's go take a look. Really wish I had brought my binoculars. Okay, we got a new target up there. A few rounds left. This is the most rink-a-dink setup. Fire. On fire. Here we go. Whoa. Let's go down there and take a look. Okay, here we go. Fire. All right, it looks like I'm hitting mostly high and to the right a tiny bit. So, but why? I was hitting, let's bring the elevation down. 1, 2. Okay, back at 2 really. Let me adjust windage. Safe. Okay, so now I'm hitting to the right. Let me go back to the left. Go right back to where I was at. 1, 2, 2. Whoa. Let's go take a look, see how we did. Third time's the charm. Finally, finally. Well, tubers, I feel like that took entirely too many shots to do. Once ammo starts becoming a little bit more readily available again, I'll come back out here and fine tune it. I might even try to back out to, 150, 200. I really can only get so far because we haven't cut anything that's long enough distance for me to get real far. That Winchester is definitely not the most consistent ammo because, yeah, it was. I be hearing stuff. There was something right over there. Anyways, got no more bullets. I have to use the pistol. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell notification if you want to be updated on my progress of uploading videos. Video updates. Take care. I'll be hitting Womp Rats real soon.